Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Listening Daily, your favorite place to practice English naturally. I'm Emma.
And hi everyone, I'm Alex. It is great to be here with you today, Emma. How are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful, Alex. Thanks for asking. How are things with you?
To be honest, Emma, my stomach is rumbling. I am incredibly hungry right now.
Hungry already? We just started. What are you dreaming about?
Oh, everything. A massive cheeseburger, some crispy French fries, and a cold drink. Just thinking about it makes me happy.
Well, now you're making me hungry too. But you know what? That is actually the perfect inspiration for today's episode.
You're right. Let's talk about food. Specifically, how to confidently order food at a restaurant in English.
I love that idea. Ordering in a foreign language can feel a bit scary, but we are going to show everyone that it can actually be simple and fun.
Exactly. It's one of the best ways to practice real-world English. But before we dive into the menu, everyone, please take a quick second to subscribe to English Listening Daily.
Yes, give this video a thumbs up if you love food as much as Alex does. And share it with your friends who are learning English. It really helps our channel grow.
It truly does. Thank you, everyone. All right, Emma, let's set the scene. I am walking up to the restaurant door. I open it and walk inside. What's the first step?
Well, the first thing you'll see is a host or a waiter greeting you. Step 1 is super easy. Just smile and say hello.
Hello. Perfect. I can definitely manage that. What about getting a place to sit?
You just need to tell them how many people are with you. You can say, "A table for 2, please," if you're with a friend.
So if it's just the two of us, a table for 2, please. What if I'm out with a bigger group?
Just change the number. "A table for 3, please," or "A table for 4, please." And if you are dining alone, you just say, "A table for 1, please."
Got it. Keep it simple. So I say, "Hello, a table for 2, please." What does the waiter say back?
They will usually say, "Right this way, please," or "Follow me, please," and lead you to your table.
Fantastic. Now I'm sitting down. I'm ready to look at all the delicious options. Do I just wait for them to hand me the menu?
Usually, they will give it to you right away. But if they forget, you can politely ask, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Adding please makes a big difference, right?
Absolutely. Being polite is the secret ingredient when dining out. Now, when you open the menu, you'll see it's divided into different sections: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
Right. Let's break those down. Starters are the smaller dishes you eat at the very beginning, like a hot soup or a small salad, right?
Spot on. Then comes the main course, which is the star of the show, the biggest dish. That's where you'll find your burgers, steak, chicken, pasta, or fish.
My favorite part of the menu. And what about dessert?
Dessert is the sweet treat at the very end of the meal. Think of chocolate cake, apple pie, or ice cream.
You know, I can never say no to chocolate cake. And finally, the drinks section has things like water, juice, coffee, or soda.
Exactly. You've got the vocabulary down. Now, the waiter comes back over with a notepad, looks at you, and asks, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
If I know what I want, I can say, "Yes, I am." But what if I need a few more minutes to decide?
No problem at all. Just say, "Could we have just a minute, please?" They will gladly give you more time. But let's say you're starving and ready. How do you ask for your food?
I shouldn't just shout, "I want a burger," right?
Definitely not. A much nicer and more natural way to say it is I would like or I'll have.
I would like the cheeseburger, please. That sounds very smooth.
It's perfect. Or you can use the short version. I'll have the cheeseburger, please. Let's do a quick practice run. I'll be the waitress. Hello there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. To start, I would like the tomato soup.
Great choice. And for your main course?
I'll have the cheeseburger with fries, please.
Wonderful. And can I get you anything to drink?
I would like a cold soda, please.
Look at you. You're a natural. The waiter will usually repeat your order back to you, just to double check that everything is correct. You can just reply, "Yes, that's right. Thank you."
Awesome! Then the best part happens. The food arrives at the table.
Yes. The waiter will place the plates down and say, "Enjoy your meal." You just smile and say, "Thank you."
While I am eating, sometimes the waiter comes back to the table. What are they usually asking?
They want to make sure you're happy. They'll ask, "Is everything okay here?" If the food is great, you can say, "Yes, it's delicious, thank you."
Delicious. That's a wonderful word to praise the chef. Now, what if I run out of water and need a refill?
Just try to catch the waiter's eye when they walk past. Politely say, "Excuse me," and then ask, "Could I have some more water, please?"
Excuse me, could I have another soda, please? It really is all about using excuse me, please, and thank you.
It really is. Politeness goes a long way. So, you've finished your burger, you've enjoyed your chocolate cake, and you are completely full. What's next?
Time to handle the bill. How do I ask for it?
Get the waiter's attention again with an "Excuse me," and say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "The check, please."
Is there a difference between bill and check?
Bill is more common in British English, and check is more common in American English. But honestly, restaurant staff everywhere will understand both perfectly.
Good to know. When they bring the bill, if I want to pay with my card, what should I ask?
You can ask, "Do you accept credit cards?" And when you hand over your card or cash, it's polite to say, "Here you go."
Here you go. Simple and friendly. Then they bring back your receipt and you are ready to head out.
Exactly. As you walk out the door, you can just wave and say, "Thank you, goodbye." It leaves a wonderful impression.
That went so smoothly. Let's put everything we just learned into one final role play from start to finish, so our listeners can hear how a full conversation flows.
Let's do it. I'll play the restaurant host and waiter. Welcome to the Daily Bistro. Hello, sir.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Right this way. Here is your table. And here is your menu.
Thank you so much.
Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, I am. I would like the grilled chicken, with vegetables, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink with that?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out for you. Here is your chicken and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Is everything tasting okay for you?
Yes, everything is perfect, thank you.
Wonderful. Can I get you anything else, or maybe a dessert?
No, thank you. I'm full. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your check.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Goodbye. Wow, practicing it like that makes it feel so achievable. It's not complicated at all.
It really isn't. If you remember the core phrases, "a table for," "I would like," and "can I have the bill, please?" you can order food anywhere in the world.
My best tip for everyone listening is to start simple. When you go to a restaurant, order something easy to pronounce first, like a pizza or a salad, until you build up your confidence.
That's great advice, Alex. Don't worry about making mistakes. People in restaurants are used to learners, and they will appreciate you trying.
Well, Emma, talking about all this food has made me even hungrier. I think it's time for us to wrap up so I can go find a real kitchen.
Agreed. That is all the time we have for today's episode of English Listening Daily.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to practice this role play at home with a friend or in front of the mirror.
And before you go, leave us a comment below. What is your absolute favorite food to order when you go out to a restaurant? We want to know.
Keep practicing, keep listening. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.